Hello everyone, welcome to the HFA on Zeus pendulum activation. So when you receive your pendulum, when you go ahead and open it up, what you'll notice is there'll be a protective covering the crystal and the runes that go around it. This is the production unit here. They are shipping now. And what you want to do is just kind of hold it in your left hand and wrap the chain around a couple fingers in any fashion that feels comfortable. And put your attention on the center crystal. Okay, there's a universe inside here, a solar system that you're going to want to put your attention on. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but when you have this up close, you'll see it. And there's one on the bottom and there's one on the top. You can put either or you can actually put it on the nucleus in the middle, whichever one you seem to like better. And just repeat those 8 magical words. I honor the space in which you exist. And that's it. There may or may not be an acclimation period with this particular product. You have to feel how the energy is once you open her up. If it's overwhelming, that's pretty typical for a new MDM product. But just, go ahead and open her up. And when you get to this point, if you feel like it's overwhelming, just allow it to hang out for a day or two and kind of use your own intuition and your guidance to connect with her and say, hey, is it time to start having fun? Is it time to start playing? And you'll know pretty quick if it is. And that's all there is to activating your HFA on Zeus pendulum, folks.